Alright, here we have another Queen.M product. Comes in their standard, mostly see-through plastic zipper bag. Now this one is going to be labeled as a pretty pajama. And the size we got on this one is small, and as you can tell the color is red. And this is a much longer product. Comes with these little strips, which are sheer to an extent. See that? You can see my hand underneath it easy enough. But whenever they fold over, it looks like it gets a little more difficult. So that's what I mean by to an extent. So we've got the two small little strappy pieces up top for the shoulder straps. And then we have a lace see-through cup area. These look pretty large. I'm just going to lead with that. We'll see what it looks like on. As far as flipping around to the back, you can see that the straps are adjustable. There's a little bit of elastic there, so that way you can fit a much larger size. Whenever I just measure straight across there, we're looking at about 16.5 inches, so you're looking probably about 33 inches around. It's going to be the measurement that you're looking for on that. As far as length, I want to say the picture showed this as being something that was quite long. Let's see if I can bring it up real fast. Yeah, so the picture here shows this going at least mid-thigh right there, and it also shows the top as not being sheer, and it looks like the red in the pictures is like a deep red, whereas this is more of like a maroon sort of color. I'm not too good with colors. And the white balance on this is pretty bad. You'll be able to see the actual color though whenever I take the pictures and adjust for that. The thong that it comes with is also see-through, not adjustable. There we go. I will let you know the fit on this one. The size we picked up here was small, so hopefully these fit. It's elastic, they better. Hopefully the top fits as well. Like I said, I'm kind of worried about this since it did look a little big, but I'll let you know in the review. And then these little dangly pieces looked a little different in the pictures. But we will we'll let you know what we get. Questions, comments, let me know. I was sent this product and asked to review it, so I did receive it for free. And then we'll put it to use and let you know what we think of the review. Thanks.